How to deactivate Instagram account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to deactivate your Instagram account, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is remember that we won't be able to do this from our app. So what we will do is we will open up our browser and then just go to instagram.com and then sign into our account. So remember that I'm talking about the browser. Once you're on the website and sign in, tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen to just come to your profile page. And once you're on the profile page, right here you'll find this option called edit profile. You can tap the edit profile option here, and once you tap the edit profile button, when you scroll down, right at the bottom you'll find temporarily deactivate my account from the bottom right. So you want to make sure to tap the temporarily deactivate my account option, and all you have to do is simply go ahead and select your reason as to why you want to deactivate it, enter your password, tap on the deactivate option, and your Instagram account will get successfully deactivated. This way you can deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.